Go.
The birds have been acting very strange lately.
Go.
Why, hello there, Mr. Owl. Oh, you stupid owl. Oh, let's go. Oh, God. Oh, let's go.
Penguins have been waddling up from the South Pole just to kill little kids.
Penguins live in South Africa and eat raw fish. But today, they eat raw humans and live in America. Naples, Florida, to be exact. Oh my God, it's bad!
This is our hired bird whisperer, and she's going to go talk to the birds about why they're attacking us.
Off we go. So, my friend, please explain to us what is happening. Yes? Yes. I think I got the story. To be continued.
What? No, why is the birds attacking us? We're all going to die.
Well, it seems the birds are not happy.
Why?
They're not being fed, my dear.
How are they not being fed?
They are looking for worms and food, not Taco Bell leftovers.
After the bird whisperer came, everybody went back to their normal everyday lives until one wicked November night. On this November night, the birds just seemed to be doing what they normally would do until some of the birds started attacking again. No more Taco Bell! No more Taco Bell! No more Taco Bell! It gives me gas.